Good morning, students. In our foundation class, we'll go for small calculations regarding uh, result. Resultant. R is equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Okay. And alpha is equal to tan inverse q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. Okay. So for different values of theta if theta is equal to 0, we got these values in previous class. If theta is equal to 30 degrees, how much you are getting? And 45 degrees, how much you are getting? 60 degrees, how much you are getting? And 90 degrees, how much you are getting? This is what I told you to calculate, and you can verify your answers here. You can verify your answers. If you know this, the students from star and F1, if you know this, just listen, no need to note it. For star students only, for star. Remaining F1, F2 and F3 students must note this once again. Okay. Now, if theta is equal to 30 degrees, what are the values first? What are the values? Sin 0 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0. Sin 30 is equal to cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to cos of 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is equal to cos 0 is equal to 1. So these are the values we are going to use. Okay. Here I will give you a hint, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Suppose tan 0, sin 0 by cos 0, sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, 0 by 1, you will get only 0 value. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay. Tan 30 means sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is how much? Cos 30. Where is cos 30 here? Root 3 by 2. So denominator 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining here is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. That you can write directly. If you don't know, you can simplify like this. That's why I am giving you hint. 1 by 2 sin 30 by cos 30, sin 30 by cos 30, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. In denominator 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 will get cancelled, then 1 by root 3 will be remain. So here tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to sin 45 divided by cos 45. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. That will cancel and you will get only 1. Now tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Which is the inverse of this one. Reciprocal of this one. Then you will get a root 3. Now tan 60 is what? Tan 90. Tan 90 is 0. Sin 90 by cos 90. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Okay. These are the values for tan. We will use this here. Trigonometric functions. We are calling those are trigonometric functions. Now if theta is equal to 30 degrees, then how the value of r and the value of alpha will change? Now, just observe here first. First of all, listen. Later you can write it down on notes. R is equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 30. Okay, then write like this: p square, this is the value of r, plus q square plus 2pq cos 30. Come on here. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. That's why you are writing here as a root 3 by 2. This is your cos 30. Now, in numerator 2 is there, denominator 2 is there. You can cancel these two. Then what is the value of r? R is equal to root over p square plus q square plus root 3 pq. Root 3 pq. This is your answer. R. Now, what is the value of alpha? Alpha. For the same value of theta. Now, alpha is equal to tan inverse q sin theta by p plus q cos theta. P plus q cos theta. Come on. Alpha is equal to tan inverse q sin theta. Q sin theta. Q sin theta means theta is how much it is? 30 degrees. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2. And substitute here first values of this one. P plus Q cos 30. Now calculation. Tan alpha Q sin 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is equal to not root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. I mean into 1 divided by 2. This is your numerator. Come on to the denominator. P plus Q cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now we will do simple calculation in denominator. This may be a little bit confusion, but you need to do it individually. So this you will get as a q by 2. This is a small simplification. 2p plus root 3q whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. Then 2 will get cancelled. Alpha is equal to tan inverse q by 2p plus root 3q. This is your value. This is your value of alpha. So here we got for 30 degrees of inclination. For 30 degrees of inclination, the values of r and the value of alpha. R is resultant. Alpha is direction of the resultant with the first vector. Direction of the resultant with the first vector will change. Okay, noted. We will go for 45 degrees. Noted now? Can I highlight this? Pause the video and no. Pause the video and no. Now we will go for 45 degrees. We will go for 45 degrees. How the values will change. If theta is equal to 45 degrees, then r is equal to root over t square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. How we are going to write this? Root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos 45. Cos 45. So r is equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq. What is the value of cos 45? Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 whole divided by root 2. Again, now children look here how it will be. R is equal to root over p square plus q square plus root 2 pq. Root 2 pq. This is your answer. How? You can write this 2. You can write this 2 as a root 2 into root 2. We all know that 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. How? This is a root 2 whole square. Square root will cancel equal to 2. Got it? So instead of writing 2, you can write root 2 and root 2. Then one root 2 will get cancelled with this root 2 and another root 2 will be remaining. That's why I am writing here. The remaining root 2 into PQ. The remaining root 2 into PQ. Okay. Just observe this hint. Instead of writing 2, what I am writing here is root 2 into root 2. You know the value of root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. That equal to 2. That's why instead of writing 2, I am writing root 2 into root 2. So one root 2 will get cancelled with the denominator. Another root 2 will remain. That root 2 into PQ will remain. Okay. Next. What is the value of alpha? Sin 45 for the same value of theta. Sin 45 cos 45. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of q sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 divided by p plus q into cos 45 value also same. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So the small multiplication once again in denominator. Here you will get a q by root 2. Here you will get a root 2 into p. Root 2p plus q whole divided by root 2. Whole divided by denominator root 2, numerator. In numerator 1 root 2 is there. There are two ratios. In numerator 1 ratio is there. Denominator also 2 ratio. Another ratio is there. So in both the ratios, numerator ratio and denominator ratio, you have 2. Root 2. You can cancel that. And what is remaining? Alpha is equal to tan inverse q by root 2p plus q. This is the remaining. This is your value of alpha. This is the value of alpha. This is completely concept, not a problem. Okay, go through this. Everyone, please note down. Everyone. Okay, ma. So tomorrow we will go for value of 60 and 90. Bye.